How to turn off auto exposure on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. As you get there, you can adjust the image format, resolution, and optical lenses to change the field of view and zoom level of the photo. Here, the AEAF lock is already turned on, which locks both the auto exposure and auto focus settings, preventing the camera from automatically adjusting the brightness and focus. Now, to deactivate it, tap anywhere on the screen or on the yellow AEAF lock icon. This will immediately release the lock, and the camera will return to its automatic focus and exposure mode. This way, you get more control over your experience with the camera app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off auto exposure on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.